Hello, welcome back to another basketball card video. So I'm going to talk about how I keep track of my cards, and organization is a big thing in my life in general. So this week I kind of went into my eBay records, went into my actual collection and made just a spreadsheet. So I've got the price that I bought them at all in one place for all my cards. Okay, boom. So it's a spreadsheet. It's super quick and easy. What I did was I just copied the link of the completed sale on eBay. That's why they're like purple links here. And so if you click one, the eBay sale will pop up just so it can be like super official. So it's like, here's this emergent Jason Tatum PSA 10 that I bought for 15 bucks. Oh, and so then the total price I've got on here has the shipping also. So then if I'm curious, if I'm like, oh, should I sell this card? Like, what will I get for it now? Then I'll just search emergent PSA. I'll just search for that card, sort by sold items, completed sales, and this will tell you what the card actually goes for, what the market price for this guy is currently. And then I'll find the same one, and boom, here it is, 50 bucks. So if I wanted to, I could sell this card right now and make let's see, what is it, 30 bucks. Completed sale March 27th, like a week ago, for 50 bucks, and I bought it, a couple months ago for 15. Then I can just do that with all the cards. I'm sure there's more Excel, somebody better at Excel is able to set it up so that all the inputs and it adds it up everything on its own. But I'm not good at that. I just input the numbers, and then you can just highlight them all and click down here it'll show the sum. So I've spent a total of $175.81 on cards. The organization of it, I just have name, the card, what type of card it is. Is it NBA Hoops? Is it Prism? Is it Emergent? And then the rating, if it was PSA 10, ungraded, PSA 9, PSA 9 I have a lot of, what I paid, and then when I sell them, and then the profit. So that's it really. If you're not recording somewhere, and this could even be analog, just on paper in a grid, if you're not recording what you buy the cards at, you're not gonna remember. eBay tells you, but you have to dig through the sales and sort and stuff and find the exact one. But if you just put it into something like this right when you buy them, then you'll know when you need to. If you think, oh, what did I pay for that? You can go right to it because you have this organized system to be able to tell. So super quick video. I thought that would be helpful for you guys. If you dig it, subscribe. I've got free Thrive stickers in the description if you're interested in that. Appreciate you watching, guys. Take it easy. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you to John, Ian, Ty, Nick, Ben, Ryan, and Trent for picking up a hoodie. Also thank you to Ashley, Colin, Kyle, Paula, Danny, Sam, Samantha, Jared, Travis, Bridget, Kendrick, Michael, Juddy, Emily, Amaka, Jade, Jess, Trinity, Eric, Jesse, Ellie, Harpreet, Jordan, John, Riley, Dante, Ryan, Elijah, Alec, Olajuwon, Matt, Anna, Eamon, Giovanni, Jackson, Jesus, Johnny, Milena, Kimberlyn, Hayden. Thank you guys so much.